Hello there. I truly understand the heavy feeling you face every morning when your legs feel stiff and those clicking sounds in your knees cause worry. Are you gradually giving up your daily walks or the joy of playing with your grandchildren because you are afraid of the persistent pain in your joints? Please remember that you are not alone in this journey. Many people feel the same way, but today we are going to change your perspective entirely. Those clicking sounds are actually a cry for help from your body. It is time we stop ignoring them and start listening to what they need. We will not be discussing temporary pain relief today. Instead, we are focusing on how to regenerate and reborn your joint health from the very inside out. You deserve to move freely and enjoy your golden years without fear. Let us dive into the secrets of natural recovery and long-term joint lubrication today. By the end of this session, you will have a clear path to follow using simple solutions found right in your very own home and kitchen. Stay with me because your journey back to flexibility starts right now. Let us explore why your joints are actually struggling and how to fix them. Many people believe that joint pain is just an inevitable part of aging that we must accept. However, science tells us a much more hopeful story. The truth is, your joints are not simply dying off. They are often just lacking the essential raw materials required for their natural daily repair and maintenance. Imagine your joint cartilage as a soft rubber cushion. Over time, this cushion wears down not because it is old, but because the supply line stopped. Your body has a natural ability to patch up tiny daily cracks, but if you don't provide the building blocks, those cracks eventually become painful gaps. Think of it like a machine running without oil. Eventually, the friction causes heat and damage. Your joints are crying out for that missing biological lubrication. We often call this joint dryness. It is not just a lack of fluid, but a structural breakdown of the tissue that holds the moisture in place. When the cartilage loses its integrity, every step you take becomes bone-on-bone contact. This is what creates that clicking sound and the sharp, stabbing pain. A healthy joint should be like this wet sponge, absorbing shock effortlessly. A dry joint is brittle, making it very susceptible to further injury and inflammation. The good news is that we can restart this supply chain. We just need to identify the specific golden material that your cartilage is starving for. It is not just about general nutrition. Your joints need a very specific type of protein that acts as the primary structure for all cartilage tissues. That specific material is collagen type 2. Let us explore why this particular molecule is the undisputed king of joint health and structural repair. You might have heard of collagen for skin and beauty, but for your knees, only collagen type 2 is the true essential building block for cartilage. While type 1 builds your skin and bones, type 2 makes up 90% of the protein fibers found in your joint's protective cartilage layers. Think of collagen type 2 as the steel rebar inside a concrete pillar. It provides the tensile strength that allows cartilage to withstand immense pressure. Without these strong fibers, your cartilage becomes weak and collapses under your body weight, leading to the pain and stiffness you feel every day. When you have enough of this specific collagen, your joints remain elastic. They can bounce back from impact, protecting the underlying bone from any damage. This is why athletes and active seniors alike need to prioritize this nutrient. It is the secret to maintaining mobility long into your later years. As we age, our body's natural production of collagen type 2 begins to drop significantly. This is when the oil in our joints starts drying. We call it the golden key because without it, no amount of other vitamins can truly fix the structural integrity of your worn-down joint cushions. The beautiful thing is that when you provide the right collagen, your body recognizes it immediately and starts weaving it back into the existing cartilage. Imagine walking without that grinding sensation. Imagine your knees feeling light and lubricated again. This is the power of rebuilding your structural proteins. It is not a miracle, it is simply providing the right biology. Now, the big question is, where can we find this specific type of collagen?
Naturally, you don't always need expensive supplements.
Nature has provided everything we need in certain foods that are likely already in your kitchen right now. Let us take a look at your kitchen pharmacy. I want to show you exactly what to eat to start greasing those joints today, from traditional broths to specific fruits. These ingredients work together to synthesize the collagen type 2 that your body is so desperately craving right now. Get ready to transform your meals into medicine. This next section will change the way you look at your daily diet and joint health forever. The first and most powerful source of collagen type 2 is traditional bone broth, specifically made from chicken cartilage and knuckles or beef bones. When you simmer these parts slowly, the collagen breaks down into a form that your body can easily absorb and transport directly to your joints. Chicken sternum and cartilage are particularly rich in type 2. It is a natural concentrate of the very material your knees are missing right now. Drinking a warm bowl of this broth daily is like sending a specialized repair crew to your joints, providing all the bricks they need to rebuild. But collagen alone isn't enough. We need a master welder to help join those fibers together, and that role is filled perfectly by vitamin C. Oranges, kiwis, and bell peppers are packed with vitamin C. Without this vitamin, your body cannot effectively cross-link collagen fibers to make them strong. Think of vitamin C as the glue. It ensures the collagen you eat actually stays in your joints and forms a tough, resilient, protective cartilage layer. Next, we must address inflammation. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which act as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Omega-3 reduces the enzymes that break down collagen. By eating fish twice a week, you are essentially protecting your new cartilage from being destroyed again. Even seeds and nuts can help. They provide the healthy fats and minerals like zinc and copper that support the overall structural health of your connective tissues. Combining these foods is easy. A simple soup or a colorful salad with fish can provide a comprehensive toolkit for your body to begin its healing. Green leafy vegetables also contain antioxidants that protect your joint cells from oxidative stress, preventing the premature aging of your precious cartilage tissues. Don't forget water. Cartilage is mostly water held in place by collagen. You must stay hydrated so your new cartilage can remain plump and bouncy. You are creating a natural lubrication cocktail. No chemicals are needed when you use the power of whole, nutrient-dense foods to heal your body. The best part is that these foods are delicious and benefit your whole body, not just your knees. Your heart and skin will thank you too. Now that you know what to eat, we need to talk about how to make this work long-term. Recovery is a journey, not a sprint. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Let us look at a realistic timeline so you know exactly what to expect as your joints begin to heal. We call it the 90-day rule. It takes about 3 months for your body to significantly restructure and replace old, damaged cartilage fibers with new ones. Every day you eat well, you are adding another layer of protection. Be patient with your body. It has been working hard for many years. I want you to understand that true healing takes time. You didn't lose your joint health overnight, so we must be patient during the recovery. The 3-month roadmap is your guide. In the first few weeks, inflammation goes down. By the second month, the new collagen structure begins to solidify. Movement is just as important as food. Think of exercise as the signal that tells your body exactly where to send the new collagen materials. Start every morning with simple leg slides or gentle knee bends right there in your bed. This wakes up the joint fluid and starts the lubrication. You don't need a gym. These small, consistent movements act like a pump, pushing nutrients deep into the cartilage where blood flow doesn't normally reach. Without movement, those good nutrients you eat just sit in your bloodstream. You must move to drive the healing materials into the joint space. As the weeks pass, you will notice that first step out of bed becomes easier. The stiffness will gradually fade, replaced by a sense of lightness. Don't be afraid to move. When you have the right nutrients in your system, movement is no longer a source of damage, but a source of life. Your body is a miracle of engineering. It wants to heal. It just needs you to be its partner and provide the right building blocks. Stay active, stay consistent, and stay positive. Your joints are listening to your actions and responding to every healthy choice you make today. Keep your hydration high and your spirits higher. Every small victory, like climbing one extra stair, is a sign that your plan is working perfectly. You are literally weaving a new future for your knees. This 3-month commitment is a small price to pay for years of pain-free movement. Listen to your body's feedback. If it feels good, keep going. If you feel slight discomfort, slow down but never stop providing those essential nutrients. I have seen thousands of people reclaim their mobility using this exact approach. You are no different. Your joints can and will improve. Let us finalize our journey today with a clear vision of what your life will look like once you regain your youthful flexibility and strength. The sunset of your life should be filled with activity, not pain. Aging is mandatory, but feeling stiff and dry is completely optional. Remember our 3 pillars: feed your joints, collagen, type 2, protect them with natural antioxidants, and give your body the time it needs. You have the knowledge now. The secret oil for your joints isn't a mystery anymore. It's a choice you make at every single meal. Take that first step today. Walk toward a future where you can dance, hike, and play without a second thought about your knees or joints. I am here as your partner in health. Don't hesitate to start this journey right now. Your future self will thank you for this decision. Thank you for spending this time with me. May your steps be light, your joints be lubricated, and your life be full of joyful movement. I am your health companion. Until next time, take great care of your body, and it will surely take great care of you. Goodbye for now.